Are you ready for a yummy food trip across Southeast Asia? I know I am. Come along and Eatsperience Asean. In ASEAN, tofu is not only for vegetarians and health buffs, it's for everyone. In this episode, I'll be taking you on a tofu tour. We're in Ampang right now, just outside of the city centre of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and this is Foong Yong Tau Foo. Yong Tau Foo is actually a tofu that has been stuffed with ground pork or fish paste, and they come in primarily two different kinds, the regular tofu, this, and the firm one, and with an assortment of different vegetables that's stuffed with the filling. I'm going to try the firm tofu. So the tofu is really soft, and the fish paste inside, it is dense, it's packed together really nice. It doesn't really crumble in your mouth. Now for the fried one, I'm gonna dip it in. It's fried in such a way that the insides are really still soft. And the good thing about this place is that all of these are served fresh. It's made on site. So it's served warm and piping hot. The ladies making it, they've been doing it for years, clearly. It's like clockwork, you know? And the fact that this place has been around for 40 years, imagine that. It's so good. I'm not one for breakfast, but if I get this every day, I would wake up early in the morning just to have this. This is Tahu Take. Now, the dish itself originates from Surabaya, a port city in eastern Java. And the name Tahu Take comes from the sound that the scissors makes when cutting up the fried tofu. Thek-Thek. So, bits of tofu and pressed rice. Dip it in the peanut sauce. Add a bit of the bean sprouts. The tofu itself is fried, so that gives a nice texture, but the insides are very soft. And the peanut sauce is a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. It's very finely ground peanuts in it, so you don't get big chunks of peanuts in your mouth. And the bean sprouts and the shrimp crackers packs a nice crunch to the meal. The stall that we sit in right now, it's a very simple eatery in the local neighborhood. Founded by the original owner in 1993, it's now managed by the nephew. This is Tofu Baboy. Tofu is tofu, baboy is pork. It's extra firm tofu that's deep fried with pork bits. And here I have pork belly. You could also use pig snout and pig ears. Now, the key to this dish is actually the sauce mixture, which is composed of soy sauce, a bit of vinegar, some salt, some sugar, chili seeds, and slices of onion. I'm gonna try mine now. Tofu Baboy is just like Bonnie and Clyde. The fattiness of the pork works really well together with the simplicity of the tofu. And to top it off, that sauce mixture, it's tangy, sweet, has a little spice kick at the end, makes this dish such an interesting adventure. This is Tahu Song Krum. which actually means tofu with mixed ingredients. And here we have tofu with the pork and mixed veggies. Dig right in. Let me tell you a secret. I'm generally not a fan of egg tofus, but surprisingly, this doesn't have the egg smell to it. In fact, the sauce adds a bit of sweetness to the dish, and you can feel the baby corn, the carrots, the spring onions, the pork especially, all of them mixed together in your mouth adds really good flavor to the dish. This is actually a local neighborhood eatery, and in fact, all of the Thai locals come here to have their lunch or their dinner, and for the very reason of having simple home-cooked meals right here. In fact, you're in someone's home. We are here at Bun Dau Trung Huong. This shop has been around since the early 90s, and the popular dish here is this Bun Dau Mam Tom. Now, bun is rice vermicelli, tau is fried tofu, and mam tom, which is the key piece of this meal, is fermented shrimp paste. Now, we will do this with lime. Okay. If you like yours with a bit of spice, then you can add a bit of chilies. It definitely adds to the flavor. I'm going to try the tau now. Personally, I like it with the tau because it's warmer, it's squishier. And if shrimp paste is too strong for your palate, then we have the regular fish sauce. It's nice and it's lighter on your palate as well. You can also have variations that come with boiled pork. And just like a lot of different Hanoi street foods, every dish here is very wholesome, very harmonious with different blends of ingredients. If you need more options for cooking and serving tofu, there's so much to borrow from Southeast Asia. And if you learned something new today, give us a like and subscribe to AirAsia's YouTube channel for more travel inspiration.